In this video, I will show you how to join someone with joins off in Roblox. Let's cut to the chase. If someone has their join settings turned off, you cannot join them unless their settings allow anyone to join. You are friends with them on Roblox. To see where this settings is located, open Roblox settings. Go to Privacy and Content Maturity tab. Click on Visibility and Private Servers, then Visibility. Under Show Current Experiences, if it's set to friends and people I follow, you won't be able to join unless you're their friends. There are extensions that claim to let you join someone even if their joins are off. However, these are scams that steal your Roblox login information. Stay safe and avoid them. If their joins are off, here are a few workarounds. Check their badges. If they could recently earned a badge, it might tell you what game they are in. Look at their favorite games. They might be playing one of them. Search for their avatar in the server list. If it's a small game, you might find them. If they are in a private server, you cannot join unless invited. That's it for today. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.